Alright guys, what I'm going to show today is how to convert a Word document on a MacBook or iOS system, how to convert a Word document into a PDF document. So any documents that you're doing for your school that professors may want in a PDF format, this is going to be how you do it here. Click on Blank Document. So we're just going to type up something here, test document. We're going to save it, and I'm going to show as if you've already saved this document before. We're going to go back in and show how to convert from a file that you've already got. So this is going to be test document, and you can see it's saving it as Word. So if you've already done something in Word, this is going to be how you convert it here. So we're going to go back in, go to Recents, test document, open that up. Click up here on File, and hit Save As. We keep it the same name there. And down here, instead of Word, we're going to show this export formats, and it's going to be in PDF. And then now, when you go back in, as you can see, it's going to save it as a PDF file. Test document here in PDF. And that's all you got to do.